Today I am doing the FIFO page replacement algorithm starting from time 0 and the number still does not exist. Next, on time 1, the number 1 exists and we have a page fault. In time 2, the number 2 exists and now we have another page fault. And number 3, the 3 exists and we have another page fault. And number 4, in time number 4, we have number 4 and we have another page fault. In time 3 in time 5 to time 8, we don't need to replace it because the numbers are given is still exist. And in time 9, we have number 5. The number 5 is new and we need to put it into the table. To put number 5 into the table, we need to replace 1 because 1 is the first number that we put in the table and we need to replace it by number 5 and we have a page fault. In time 10, we have 6. So to put 6 in the table, we need to replace the number that next after number 1, which is number 2. So we have 5, 6, 3, 4. And time 11, we have number 1. And number 1 is still not on the table. To 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 put number 1 on the table, we need to replace 3 because 3 is after number 2 when it goes to the table. In time 12, we have number 2. And number 2 is still not in the table. We to to, to put number 2 on the table, we need to replace number 4. Since number 4 is the first one that after number 3. So we need to replace it by number 2 since the number 2 is new and we need to put it on the table. So we have 5, 6, 1, 2. And time 13 and time 14, we don't need to replace numbers because they still exist in the table. So this is the FIFO page replacement algorithm.